fuck about no industry beef. Ain't nobody give a fuck when Tay was dead in the street. I don't do the shit you see on the screens. I been tapped in with true things. I peep your rap cap and I unscrew things. I don't give a fuck about them niggas at the top. The biggest nigga on the block still get shot. Pop, you thinking pop, I'm thinking can't talk about that shit from.
You gotta chill
You
out.
seen
Guys, today I am boxing. I'm told I got my homie here, Rex. Rex, say hi to the people.
We're gonna put him to sleep. He's gonna chow dust.
He's gonna chow dust. Did you hear him, guys? You know what? Round one. Let's get it. Touch now. Wait, okay. That was first round. Round two. Let's go.
Your face is open. Yes, I can just hit you at any time. Like I'm looking at it.
Aye.
Got one shot.
Nah. Okay. I bet.
He's dead too, right?
Okay. Yo. A nice going down. Hi, round two. Okay, the half time. Rex, how do you feel, bro? How do you feel? Talk to me.
I'm making him chow dust and he knows it.
Nah.
He's running away from me like he's a baby.
No, bro, it's my first time.
Chowing dust.
It's my first
Chowing
time.
dust.
It's my first time. See, so just give me some time.
Sounds like a girl. Sounds like a girl.
Okay. But this time, I'm going all out, guys. Whether I get mood, I'm sure. Subscribe, bro.
He's gonna chow dust.
Aye, that was a punch. Aye, that was a punch. Space. Say some space. Abba in your face. Okay, boy.
He's chowing dust. Remember, he chowed dust when he came to box me.
Nah, this thing is really hard, though.
Anyone can come catch smoke.
Nah, this thing is
Anyone can come catch smoke.
Nah, this thing is
Chow dust.
Nah. Guys, here's the winner. Give it up to the winner, guys. Rex. That was in the chat for Rex. Guys, stay tuned. In the chat, guys, we got space here. It's space. Come introduce yourself to the YouTube, bro.
44 spaces.
44 spaces.
I'm knocking my boy out.
Alright, we finna go one round. Let's go. 1 minute on the clock.
Let's go.
Don't go crazy.
This nigga feeling his knockout.
Nah, that's fine.
Okay.
Let's not go crazy though.
Let's not go crazy. Touch gloves.
What's up? Let's go. Alright, babe, check me some space.
I am taking me some space.
Alright.
What more space do you want? What more space are you looking for? Look at this boy. Look at this boy. Come on. One more spin, son. One more spin, Come on.
Nah. Wait, nah, let's go again. One more time. One more time, yeah. One more time. I saw it, dude. I bet.
I'm just gonna pick your ball. Just wait for it. No, this was so over. I missed it. But yeah, I go funny shot. Oh! Huh? You understand what I mean? You open. Guys. Yo, the winner again. The winner. Now we win.
The winner is space. Put your hands
Tell
down.
him to go buy this.
Yo. Guys, put all the weapons down. Box. Once.
Like,
Subscribe.